Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Informer, your top spot for market updates, stock insights, and economic breakdowns. New here? Hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay locked in. Today, we're diving into a bombshell from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Trump's massive tariffs could spark inflation that sticks around longer than anyone thought. Markets are reeling, and your portfolio might feel it. Let's unpack this mess and see what's next. So, what's the scoop? Yahoo Finance dropped a big one Friday. Powell sounding the alarm on Trump's Liberation Day tariffs, the steepest in over 100 years. He's ditching his old take that inflation would just be a quick blip. Now, he says these larger-than-expected duties could mean higher prices for way longer, plus slower growth. Think 54% tariffs on China, 20% on the EU. 185 countries are in the crosshairs, and it's hitting markets like a sledgehammer. Check the damage SPY, tracking the S&P 500, sits at $564.51 after a brutal week, down from its 613 to three-year high. DIA, tied to the Dow, is at 421.599, off its 451.55 peak. Held, reflecting Nasdaq 100, holds at 91.532, a steep fall from 99.92. Thursday's rout was the worst since 2020. Dow shed 1,700 points, Nasdaq tanked 6%, S&P 500 lost 5%. Friday? More bleeding stocks dipped again as traders freak out. Why's this bad? Powell says these tariffs could jack up costs: cars, tech, groceries, and not just for a month. If inflation digs in, the Fed stuck hike rates to fight it and choke growth, or cut rates and risk a price spiral. Trump's out here Friday, blasting Powell on social media. Cut rates now, Jerome, claiming eggs are down 69% and jobs are up. But economists? They're yelling recession vibes. Oxford says the US is dangerously vulnerable now. The data's wild. SPY's year low was 503.22, DIA's 385.19, Keld's 76.45. We're not there yet, but traders are betting on 4 Fed rate cuts by year-end, starting June, to dodge a crash. Tech's toast: Apple's off 9%, Nvidia's down 7%. Staples like Lamb Weston? Up 8% as folks flee risk. Gold's near highs, oil's crashing 7%. It's chaos out there. Your play? SPY, DIA, Keld are shaky. Tech and retail could keep sliding if inflation sticks. Defensive stuff: Staples, gold might hold up. Buy the dip? Risky. Powell's unsure how long this lasts, and Trump's tariff train isn't slowing. Data says volatility's here to stay. That's the rundown, fam. Powell's spooked, markets are tanking, and Trump's tariffs are rewriting the game. Crash or recovery? What's your call? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, smash that like, share it, and subscribe for more. Catch you next time. Stay sharp and stack those gains.